Hello and welcome to this video where I show you how to use Cloudflare. And yes, join me on the challenge of mastering Cloudflare, and we will create our account. If you already have an account, you can skip this step so you can log in or you create your account. Now we will start with adding our domain is the first step. On Cloudflare we click on add, connect the domain. And I use this domain for now, and we can also quick scan for DNS records if already some DNS records are related to your domain, and you can click on continue here. We use the free tier. I don't pay money for this right now. It's very cost heavy. So we will delete the old name server entries and continue to activation. Now we will copy our new name servers and enter it in the name servers of your domain registrar. It's depend on your registrar, but you will normally find it under name server, and you can add it over here. Now you can click on connect and check name server now. Normally it will take up to 24 hours to check your DNS servers, but I think it's mostly not about 20 minutes to 1 hour, and then it's still working. We will have a look if it's not working. Okay, I will set a cut and we will see us back here when the DNS server is changed, so we can start with the next steps. So now we see that our DNS servers are updated. It's take about 5 minutes, and then it was done. And I have already got into here, and we have some options. It say us great, Cloudflare is now protecting your site. That's perfect. If you need some quick action, like your site is under attack, you can activate it over here, and you can also activate development mode. We will go to the speed settings and set up some things. We enable all available settings. It's like some protocol settings and everything. You can purchase some image optimization. It's not necessary. We have some Cloudflare fonts, and it's have much features. You don't need anything, or you don't need any feature for this. But you also have here some cache reserve. You can set up email. I will show you in one moment, but first I will deploy some app to the service, and we will add a record, use the add for all our whole domain, and I have prepared some application here in deploy. No, let's not copy the IP address. Why not? Perfect. And we can use proxy, and the traffic is proxied through Cloudflare, and nobody sees your IP for your IP address. And I will save it. And we will set up the domain here only to show you that the DNS server is working. I will update it, and now we deploy it. And in the meantime, we create some email routing. If you don't want to have for every domain email service in the background, you can create some custom email address like hello and select a destination. You can only use pre-existing emails, I think. Yes. Oh, I can try it. Yes. Oh, we can use it like this. Okay. We click on create and continue. Now we get an email to say that it's our mail, and we are allowed to redirect some things to it. You need to verify it. It's a fast verify email, and done. And now we can continue. and it will add this records to our DNS settings. And over here we now have an email settings. We have some routing rules. We can enable a catch-all address, like every email you get will be on the domain, like Daniel@secretkeysgen.com will get into the same like this, but you don't can send emails, I think. But you can send it over the workers, but it costs money if you want to send emails. You can use resend or something like this, and it's cheaper. So now we can go to the domain, and we see we have an AutoWiki up and running, and it's working. Now we have the email routing. We can create some SSL certificates. It's not interesting right now because if our server have one, it's get automatically some secure connection. We see it's a Google Trust certificate, and I think it must be created by Cloudflare. And you have some other settings like security, but it's not necessary to dive deep into the settings. I will, if you have some question, I will glad to make a next tutorial and answer your questions. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you check out my other videos on the channel, and I wish you a good day and keep coding.